ये मुझे कल तक चाहिए।
Hey guys, this is Sanika Sane and you're watching Rapper's Vlog. So today's video is all about comments and comments. You are so awesome. There is no doubt so many people like you. You are just perfect.
और आज आप कैसे कर रहे हो?
एकदम मस्त।
आप गौरव, ये आपका रिपोर्ट है। ये ऐसा रिपोर्ट बनाया आपने। ये रिपोर्ट है। ये मुझे कल तक चाहिए।
Hello everyone. My name is Gaurav. I can see you, I can hear you, but I can't speak to you. I put away sharing my story until now because I'm too afraid of criticism. I was afraid of what others would say. But then, two things happened. I watched Sanika, the famous rapper's video, and I received my cancer test reports. The cancer test was negative, which means I don't have cancer. Yet, it showed me how vulnerable life really is. Sanika's video made me realize how I am going to be imperfect no matter how hard I try to please others. It taught me that being mute or other people's opinion about me are not the worst of my worries. So, I would rather spend my life making videos, doing what I love, rather than cram in some other 9 to 5 job. So, here I am communicating with you with the help of my friend Raj. Yeah, so about my story, here it goes.